In this video, I'll show you how to run Codex in the cloud. First, open the Codex service or cloud environment provided with your account and sign in. Next, connect the code repository you want Codex to work with, such as a GitHub repository. Now, select the repository and choose the branch you want to use. After that, create a new task and describe what you want Codex to do in simple terms, such as fixing a bug, adding a feature, or updating existing code. Next, review the task settings and make sure Codex has access to the files and tools it needs. Now, start the task and let Codex work in the cloud environment. After that, review the changes Codex makes and check the generated code or test results. If something needs to be changed, provide additional instructions and run the task again. Next, review the final changes carefully before applying them to your main project. Finally, commit or create a pull request with the changes when everything looks correct. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to run Codex in the cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.